What's up, Overlanders? I'm gonna talk about how I sleep in the truck with the windows down, but no bugs. So, I was cruising around the forums, the Toyota 4Runner forum actually, and trying to look for ways to do this. And somebody, I forget his username, posted that he uses gutter guard for your rain gutters. There happens to be a channel like fits perfectly in your window. Cut it to size, obviously paint it black, and put it in. There you go, all done, easy as pie. It's got a fine screen mesh on it, so bugs are definitely not getting in. Air flows through nicely, make one for each side, and it works out great. They're about $3. You can get them on Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's. I think they make a brown one, so I just paint it. I personally, put tape on mine, kind of thick right here, so it has a little bit of a better seal on the sides. I might end up putting tape across the top, not necessary, but I think these will work really well with, what do you call it, the window deflectors for rain. So, you know, window deflector sticks down that far. Maybe you need to cut the top of this to shorten it a little bit so still no rain gets in, but we'll see when the time comes. Thanks for watching.